Welcome back to my channel. General knowledge. Which hormone helps the flower to bloom? Answer: Florigen. Florigen or flowering hormone is the hypothesized hormone-like molecule responsible for controlling and or triggering flowering in plants. What is the ancient name of the river Jhelum? Answer: Vitasta. The Vedic name of Jhelum is Vitasta. Which acid is widely used in enamel industry? Answer: boric acid. Boric acid is used as a fireproofing agent for wood, as a preservative, and as an antiseptic. It is used in the manufacture of enamels. What is the name of the deepest lake in the world? Answer: Baikal. Lake Baikal, 5,315 feet, 1,620 meters. Lake Baikal, Russia. Lake Baikal in Siberia holds the distinction of being both the deepest lake in the world and the largest freshwater lake, holding more than 20% of the unfrozen fresh water on the surface of Earth. What is the name of the legislature of Nepal? Answer: the National Assembly. The National Assembly or Rashtriya Sabha is one of the houses of the Federal Parliament of Nepal, the other house being the House of Representatives. What is the science of aging? Answer: gerontology. Gerontology is the study of the physical aspects of aging, as well as the mental, social, and societal implications of aging. Gerontology can be a rewarding field, allowing you to practice a range of skills to improve the health of older adults. What is the best art of Kushan era? Answer: Gandhara art. Gandhara art, style of Buddhist visual art that developed in what is now northwestern Pakistan and eastern Afghanistan between the 1st century BCE and the 7th century CE. The style of Greco-Roman origin seems to have flourished largely during the Kushan dynasty and was contemporaneous with an important but dissimilar school of Kushan art at Mathura, Uttar Pradesh, India. Pragjyotishpur is the old name of which city? Answer: Guwahati. Guwahati, ancient name Pragjyotishpur, is the largest city of the state Assam and also of the entire northeastern region of India. It is situated on the southern banks of the mighty river Brahmaputra. In which Indian state is the Maithon Dam located? Answer: Jharkhand. The Maithon Dam is located at Maithon, 48 km from Dhanbad, in the state of Jharkhand, India. It is 15,712 feet, 4,789 meter long and 165 feet, 50 meter high. What is the difference between Kolkata and Allahabad local time? Answer: 24 minutes. The difference between Kolkata and Allahabad local time is 24 minutes. What is the name of the covering of the kidneys? Answer: capsule. The kidneys are made up by 3 external layers, which include the renal fascia, the outermost layer, the perirenal vat capsule, and lastly the innermost layer, the renal capsule, which then surround the space of the renal cortex. Hibiscus is the national flower of which country? Answer: Malaysia. On 28 July 1960, it was declared by the government of Malaysia that Hibiscus rosa sinensis would be the national flower. Who invented the pen? Answer: Waterman. Louis Edson Waterman. Louis Waterman invented a superior fountain pen that made ink wells and dip pens obsolete. Who looted Somnath Temple? Answer: Sultan Mahmud. In 1026, Sultan Mahmud Ghazni lent the precious jewels and property of Somnath Temple. After looting, slaughtering innumerable pilgrims of the temple and burning the temple and destroying it. What is the name of the main court of the state? Answer: High Court. The High Courts of India are the highest courts of appellate jurisdiction in each state and union territory of India. Who wrote Pother Dabi? Answer: Sharatchandra Chattopadhyay. Pother Dabi is a Bengali novel written by Sharatchandra Chattopadhyay. It was first published as a novel in 1926 after having been initially serialized in the journal Bangabani. The book is set in British occupied India. What is the main component of air? Answer: Nitrogen. Nitrogen is the main component of air. Composition of air is nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, inert gases 0.9%. What is the current name of Congo? Answer: Zaire. Zaire, officially the Republic of Zaire, was a Congolese state from 1971 to 1997 in Central Africa. that was previously and is now again known as the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It was by area the third largest in all of Africa and the 11th largest in the world. With a population of over 23 million inhabitants, Zaire was the most populous officially francophone country in Africa as well as one of the most populous in Africa. Who is the proponent of the theory of mutation? Answer: Hugo de Vries. Advanced at the beginning of the 20th century by Dutch botanist and genetist Hugo de Vries in his Die Mutations Theorie 1901 to 1903. The mutation theory joined two seemingly opposed traditions of evolutionary thought. What do the 5 circles of the Olympic Games symbolize? Answer: 5 continents. The rings symbolize the union of the 5 continents, the participation of the athletes at these games, and express the activity of the Olympic movement. The 5 colored rings represent the 5 inhabited continents of the world. These are Africa, the Americas, Asia, Europe, and Oceania. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.